Bhagavad Gita, lifestyle changes and creates peace and harmony in the universe. Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 10, Vibhuti Yogam.
Test 18. Vistarenatmano yogam vibhutim cha janardana bhuyaya katayo truptiri shrunvuto nasti me amrutam. Tell me again in detail your divine glories and manifestations. O Janardana, I can never tire of hearing your nectar. हे जनार्दना, कृपया मुझे पुनः अपनी दिव्य महिमा, वैभवों और अभिव्यक्तियों के संबंध में विस्तृत रूप से बताइए. मैं आपको अमृत वाणी को सुनकर कभी तृप्त नहीं हो सकता. విస్తారంగా నీ యొక్క దివ్య మహిమలను మరియు అవతారములను మళ్ళీ చెప్పుము. ఓ జనార్దన, నీ అమృతమును వింటూ ఉంటే ఎన్నటికీ తనివి తీరదు. ప్రాక్టికల్ అప్లికేషన్స్. అర్జున సేస్, we never get satisfied. Even we hear about his mystic power and his appliances. Narration of his appliances is like a nectar, Amrutam. Puranas give the details of Lord Krishna's activities. We never get bored and tired and never get satisfied since hearing about our Father, Supreme Lord. The spiritual activities and Vedic shlokas are nectar. We always like and would like to hear again and again. For that reason, the Ityasas like Ramayana and Mahabharata we hear regularly, and they are existing for the thousands of years in Treta Yuga and Dwapara Yugas, and they are propagating from one generation to another. Prabhupada ki Jai. Hare Krishna.